Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a faucet that really works well in small spaces, then you need to check this one out from APPASO. This is an awesome faucet that is really functional and pretty, and it works great for this space. So in our home, we have a lower area that has a corner sink area, as you can see, and this area really needed something that would work with this corner sink. We opted for this faucet because first we were really attracted to the matte black finish. It is a stainless steel finish, and you can see that the quality of it looks really nice. And I really like that it has options so that you can make the water streaming, and you can also completely pause it as needed. It has a pull down sprayer, which really works well, and it also has the knob that you push out to get the water going. It's really easy to rotate, it has no difficulty, and as I said, it feels really well made. The installation process was fairly simple, and we were able to put this into our single hole sink. The stainless steel of this piece really makes it so that it feels durable, and that matte black finish just can't be beat. It works so well in this space. This is perfect for this sink area. We have a single sink with a single hole, and it's just super awesome for getting into all areas of the sink and being able to wash the dishes with no problem. It's also really quiet, and the water streams out really nicely. We have no issues at all with this faucet. It really works well, and we really appreciate how beautiful it is in this space. But that's just my point of view.